Hello boys and girls, let's do some spelling word drawing. So we're going to need something to write on and something to write with. So make sure that you have your materials with you before we get started so that we don't have to get up and move around and kind of forget what we were doing. Alright, now we're going to take our paper and fold it up like we have into 4 rectangles, or we can draw it. Because I have a whiteboard, I can't really fold up my whiteboard, right? So I'm going to draw a couple lines to divide it up. Like that. And like that. And the line, look at it, it's not perfect, but hey, it'll do, right? Okay. So our first word of the day is sing. And sing is S-I-N-G. And look at that, it's one of our NG words. Now for sing, I'm going to bring in the world famous stick figure. Draw their head, and now the body is just a line coming down. We'll add 2 legs, which will just be 2 lines coming out. 1, 2. A world famous stick figure shoes. Oversized shoes. Now I'm going to put our stick figure's arms out. Like that. There is our stick figure. Now what is our stick figure doing? Well, our stick figure is going to sing. So we're going to make a little music note and draw a line like this. And then another line that goes like this. And now we're going to put it in a word bubble. So we're going to put a bubble around like that, but we're not going to connect it because we're going to draw almost like we're drawing the tip of an arrow. So 1 line out and 1 line out. So we know it's coming from our stick figure. That is sing. Next up, let's do pink. P-I-N-K. So there's P-I-N-K. And if you have the color pink, you can draw a spot of pink. You can draw a pink dress or pink shoes, or maybe somebody with pink hair. Right here, I am just going to make a little pink dress. There's a little line out this way, and over here I'm going to draw another little line. I'm going to connect the top with kind of a smiley face. And then I'm going to make little ruffles on the bottom just by making little bumps. There. And now if you want to put a stick figure in that dress, go right ahead. This is your art, isn't it? It is your art. Next up, we're going to go down to this square, and I'm going to draw, well, first I'm going to write the word last. L-A-S-T. Now how do we do last? Well, I'm just going to draw a line, like we're in line, and in a line, somebody is always last, right? So let's draw our stick figure, our world famous stick figure. There's a line. Now, let me go a little bit farther so I can have their legs. World famous stick figure feet. They're standing in line. Their arms are at their sides. You can't even see their arms. You can't even see their arms. You know, I'm going to add something to this one. We have pink up here. Why not? Let's add a little bit of pink hair. There we go. We got some pink hair. And then next we have another stick figure, another world famous stick figure, and we're going to draw just the same thing. World famous stick figure feet. And so this is going to be last. And what I'm going to do with last here is I'm going to draw an arrow. It's bending, it's pointing to the person who is last in line. But I'm not quite done, because this one is going to have some orange hair. There we go. Put a little color to it. Have some fun with it, right? All right. Next up, we are going to draw wing. And wing is W-I-N-G. That is wing. So let's do this. I'm going to draw a little, like an upside down U, and then a little beak coming out. Let's draw like this, like a little kind of curvy line. And then we're going to draw another one that kind of comes out this way. There. Now we'll bring this up closer. So then these will be the tail feathers. Let's draw a leg, just a line down. And we're going to put 3 lines out. 1, 2, 3. There. We'll draw an eye in there, right? Now we need to make the wing because that's why we drew this. So here is our wing. And I'm going to put an arrow pointing to the wing. There is our wing. Now, for you can turn your paper over and use another rectangle. But I can't do that, so I have to erase again, and I have to create my own rectangle. But it would be safe not to erase any of our art. Okay, our next and final word for today is ring. We're going to go R-I-N-G, and there's another N-G word, right? We have sing, ring, and wing that are N-G. Now, if you look close, all of them have double consonants, huh? They have final consonants. N and K, S and T. Alright, so ring, we're going to draw a hand, because look at that. We got a ring. Now a hand can be pretty tricky to draw, so we're going to make it as easy as we can. It is kind of tough. And if you need to look at your hand while you're drawing it, go right ahead. So we're going to start off with the thumb, and it just, a line going out, and then back in. And then we're going to go straight up and curve around and come back down. And we're going to do that a couple different times. Okay, 1, 2. Let's do another one. 3. And one more. 4. There. It's a hand, right? Now the ring is right here. If you look at our fingers, the second one from the left. That's our ring. And you can color up that ring in a fancy color if you'd like. A super fancy color, or I'm just going to put a little bit of orange because I have orange right here. So give it a little color. And there we go. So today our spelling words are sing, S-I-N-G, pink, P-I-N-K, last, L-A-S-T, wing, W-I-N-G, and ring, R-I-N-G. Alright, boys and girls, I hope you had fun with this. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.